What's up, everybody? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about another casualty of the chip shortage that we are currently experiencing in our pre, post, current, whatever pandemic, however you want to word it, however you want to phrase it based off of your own area in the world. We have another casualty of a chip shortage that a camera is now no longer going to be produced for the time being. I highly doubt this is going to be something that sticks around forever. But again, because of the chip shortage, we have another camera that's going to be stopped in production. Let's talk about it. All right, before we get into the video, do me all a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon, and smash that like button as well. It greatly helps out the channel, no cost to you. And again, if you do like the content, hit that subscribe button as I mentioned, hit that bell icon so YouTube will notify you each and every time we post content to the channel or go live. So chip shortage is nothing new. It's been going on since last year and it's really starting to ramp up this year, 2021. We're just about ready to end this year, and another camera that is going to no longer be produced for the time being is one of the newly released cameras from this manufacturer, and that is the Sony ZV-E10. Now, Sony just recently stopped taking new orders for this camera on December the 3rd, and today, as they're recording in this video, this is December the 8th, so only been a few days that they stopped taking orders. Now, we're not too sure if it's going to be a short-term or a long-term thing, but again, Sony is no longer taking new orders for the brand new Sony ZV-E10. Now, the camera was just released mid of this year in the summertime of 2021, so this is a big deal, especially if you're Sony, a brand new camera. It's the brand new camera on the market for targeted creatives and vloggers. You know, it's basically one of their older predecessor cameras, from the A8000s or the A2000s, A5000s, so forth. It's one of those cameras with interchangeable lenses, but it was targeted directly at vloggers and content creators. You could use the little interchangeable grip stick. So for this camera just being released months ago and for it to be halted due to this chip shortage is probably going to hurt Sony's bottom line for this camera. Now, according to Sony directly, and I'm going to read directly from you over here, currently with regard to digital imaging products, parts are delayed due to the effects of global semiconductor shortages. And we're seeing this in a lot of technology related products, cars, electronics in general, TVs, computers, and so forth. So, you know, it strikes again when it comes to Sony and their beloved ZV-E10. So we'll see when it comes back. Definitely stay posted to the channel. Again, if you're new here, thank you for stopping on by. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if this type of content is something you're interested in. Smash that bell icon and give me a thumbs up. It greatly helps out the channel. For those of you who have become subscribers, thank each and every one of you for the support and stopping on by, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.